Hey guys, it's me, Pizza Adam. My children, well mostly my oldest son Andrew, got me this 28-inch prep cart for Father's Day, and I know exactly how I'm going to use it. I can't wait for you to see how it turns out. Okay, I just finished unboxing it. The instructions say it assembles in 20 minutes or less. Let's give it a try. This Blackstone 28-inch prep cart is an awesome addition to your Blackstone backyard and a perfect place to put your Leggero Pro pizza oven. Both of these are available in my Blackstone store and also in my Linktree bio. I hope you enjoyed this video.